Let's evaluate algebraic expressions today. We'll take simple two variable expressions. Evaluating means we need to find the value of the expression. Here we have an expression 2x plus 3y minus 7 where x and y values are given. We need to substitute the values of x in here. We need to substitute 2 for x and 3 for y. So upon evaluation, we find the answer 6. This is the final answer. So we have one more expression here. They have given the values of x and y. Let's substitute. So the answer is 0 here. Let's work on these expressions in the classroom. Remember, we need to do the parenthesis first. So here we have one more example where the values of k and s are given. We need to substitute the values. K is 8 and s is 9. So we need to apply the rule of PEMDAS, the order of operations. First, the parenthesis needs to be taken care of. So whatever is inside the parenthesis, first we need to multiply. So the parenthesis is still not done. We have minus 27 and plus 40. Let's finish the parenthesis first. So that's done. Then we need to do multiplication first. That is 4 times 13. So this is the final answer, and we have one more question here. This is left for your practice. We have one more question here which includes mods. So let's understand what a mod is. Let's recap. Mod is nothing but the absolute value. Let's take an example. Maria and Tina are the two siblings of the house. They're both sisters. They start from the house at the same time. They are walking. One is walking in this direction, the other is walking in the opposite direction. Now Tina has walked 5 miles, Maria also walked 5 miles. So let's put plus 5 for Tina, indicating she is walking in this direction, minus 5 for Maria. The direction is indicated by plus and minus here. Suppose I ask you, how much distance did Maria travel? How much distance did she walk? 5 miles should be your answer, right? Suppose I ask you, how much distance did Tina travel? The answer is again 5 miles, not plus 5 or minus 5. Why? Can you think of it? Because distance is absolute. We don't want to give it any sign, plus or minus, right? This is what we mean by absolute value, which is indicated by these lines here. This is absolute value or mod. Absolute value asks us to take the actual value of that number. Say in this case, we take 5 only, not plus 5 or minus 5. We don't really care about the sign in case of absolute value. Say for example we have minus 4 here, the absolute value mod of minus 4 is 4. Same way, the absolute value of 4 is again 4, not plus 4, minus 4 or whatever. The absolute value of minus 3 is 3. Absolute value of 3 is again 3. We have a number line here. Let's understand. Absolute value of minus 5 means we need to locate this point on the number line. Here is minus 5. So let's see how far it is from the origin. It is 5 units away, right? So the absolute value of minus 5 is nothing but 5. Suppose we need to find the absolute value of minus 2. We need to see where minus 2 is on the number line. How far is it from 0, from the origin? It's 2 units away, 2 points away. So the absolute value here is 2. So I would like you to think of absolute value as the actual number, how far the number is from 0. The direction actually doesn't matter, whether it is positive side or negative side, the direction does not matter. The distance, the number of units of distance from 0 matters, whether it is minus 2 or plus 2, the absolute value remains the same. Whether it is in this direction or the other direction, the sign does not matter. This is absolute value or mod. So this is nothing but the magnitude, the actual number. So we have another example here. Mod of minus 15 is 15. Mod of plus 15 is also 15. Mod of minus 25 is 25. Take the actual number only. Don't worry about the sign. Mod of 0 is 0. It is 0 units away from origin. Now let's come back to our question. Minus 3 mod of 2x minus 2x minus y. So let's substitute the values of x and y. Minus 4 for x and 5 for y. So we have mod of 3 here, which is nothing but 3. So minus 3 times 3 is 9 minus 9. So this is mod of 2x minus 4 plus 7. Let's substitute the values of x here. For x, let's put minus 2. So here it is minus 4, minus 4. Now the absolute value of minus 8. Absolute value of minus 8 is 8. 8 plus 7 is 15. So I hope you got an idea of absolute value.